What's up, guys? Gigabit PC here. Today I wanted to talk about the volatility and the nature of the volatility of coin markets. The last day or two, people have been making videos almost in an all-out panic about the recent price drops in all of the cryptocurrency coins. And honestly, that's not a surprise to me because the nature of these markets is that they are very volatile. They're not... the stock market in general has a lot of volatility, even on some of your safer stocks. But coins in particular are a lot more volatile. And for instance, you can have a coin that's worth $50, $60 one week, and then the next week worth over 300 Ethereum. We're looking at you. And then within a couple more weeks, be back down below $200. So what you have to understand is that's just the nature of this. You have to expect it. If you don't expect big price jumps either way, then you don't really know that much about these coins, especially Bitcoin. I mean, it's had huge jumps in the past. I remember because I was watching Bitcoin back whenever it made its first huge jump over $1,000. And then it wasn't too long after that, it sunk all the way back down to about $500 and stayed in that area for a long time. And, I mean, you have to kind of expect this stuff. Bitcoin's up over $2,400 right now, as you can see. And Ethereum is over $200 again. But at one point, Ethereum dropped below $180. And that... I'm not surprised that happened, but it's, as you can see, it's coming back up a little bit, $221 per coin. And that, it's just the nature of this stuff. The more, it's kind of like the stock market where the more people are willing to buy these coins, the higher the price goes. So basically the value is determined by what people are paying currently for these coins. So if all of a sudden everybody stopped buying these coins, then the price would start dropping, and it would drop until people started buying again. Then it's slowly going to come back up. And you might have a day or two where nobody's trading the coins because they think, well, this coin has gone as high as it's going to go. I'm going to stop buying for a little while. And they're going to hold on to them. And unfortunately, people have the herd mentality. When one person thinks that, and that's trading slows down a little bit, more people stop trading, more and more and more, and you get a snowball effect. Price starts dropping. Then people start panicking. They start selling. In a nutshell, that's how the stock market works. That's how the coin market works. There's not much different between the two. Just like with the stock market, whenever there's some uncertainty, it can drive the price down. So, for example, last year, whenever the Chinese markets collapsed, it brought down a lot of U.S. stocks that honestly were not affected by the Chinese collapse. A lot of blue chip stocks dropped by 10, 20, maybe some even 30% for a week or two. And then they rebounded, came right back up to where they were. Some even went even higher. But that happened because when the Chinese market collapsed, it hurt. It did hurt a lot of U.S. companies because we buy and sell a lot of stuff to China, between China and the U.S. So with these altcoins, there's a lot of uncertainty, especially with the BIP thing rolling out next month with Bitcoin and the soft fork. So what we're going to see is after this soft fork, we're going to see could be a number of things happen. Everyone could adapt it. Things go on like normal. Nothing ever happened. Bitcoin prices will probably continue to rise a little. A lot of people are predicting it's going to skyrocket. A lot of people are predicting this fork is going to be the end of Bitcoin. I'm leaning towards a pattern of normalization, a pattern of normal growth, normal drops. You might see it at $2,400 today. You might see it in a week at $2,500. 2 weeks it might be at 26, and then 1 week it'll be back down to 2,400. You don't know. You just don't know with these coins. But the point of all this is to kind of give you a guide and an idea of what to expect. So if you're like me and you're a miner, say you've been doing it for a long time, or I'm just getting into it, don't worry about these big price drops, and don't, just because it dropped to $175 one day, all of a sudden shut down your rigs or start mining something else. You should keep on mining for a little while longer. Watch the markets. If you can get more coins out at $175 because everyone else is shutting their rigs down or switching over to a different coin, that means the hashing power is going down total over the entire thing, the entire network. So if you keep on mining it, you should be getting a little bit more coin, and that's more in your pocket. So whenever the price does come back up, that's more profits for you. Get out of here, fly. That's more profits for you. Now, if it drops to the point to where you can't make any more profit off of it, maybe you should shut your rig down or switch to another coin if it is profitable. If you feel like taking a risk, keep it running on as it is, and pray that the price comes back up to a point to where you can sell it and make a huge profit. But that's the things you have to expect with all this. There's a lot of volatility in this market and in this trade, so be prepared for it. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you didn't, click the dislike, and please follow me, because all the support I can get helps this channel grow. Until next time, see you later.